people, I got my welder, got the wire loaded, and you are going to see my maiden voyage of my very first tack weld. So, bear with me here. Oh. It's a little scary. I'm a little freaked out. I have no idea what's going to happen. So right now I'm just putting a tack on either side to hold it in place before I do the weld. So far so good. Need my schlag hammer. Guess I should have had that already out, huh? Yeah, I successfully did not do a tack. Wow, this is going to take some practice. That was my maiden voyage and it didn't work. Alright, let's try this again. Ooh, that's ugly. Well, I successfully tacked it, but it sure is ugly. Tack there, small tack on this other side. It's mostly slag on that side. You gotta get used to pointing this bad boy right in the correct spot. Man, that is pretty crazy. That's pretty difficult. So, looks like I need to watch some more tutorials. Well, it's held together without the magnet, but not by much. Pretty cool. Just really had to get out here and at least try it a little bit. Boy, how the hell do they do that? That's ugly. I'm not even going to show you guys that up close. I could probably break this weld. Yep. Definitely not a weld that's going to hold this thing together, so pretty nuts. Wow. But pretty fun. It's hot as hell in this garage, so anyway, just had to try it. Yay, it held. Alright, people. It's the next day. Yesterday was what you just saw, and I tried to do a little welding. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos yesterday, and then I'm not as scared of it now. Yesterday I'm all like, well, you saw me, I was all like, geek, oh my god, geek, ah, like that. I realized you gotta freaking hold it on there. You gotta create a schlag pool. That's what the internet tells you. So yesterday it was like this, basically like that. All I was getting was these little dots across there. Couldn't really get an actual weld. So then yesterday I started trying to just weld on this flat surface, and I figured out how to do a pool, to make a pool. You know, a general weld. It's not a straight line overlapping pretty pool. It's very ugly. I got it. Okay, I just got the welder. First time I've ever welded in my entire life. So then I got that weld right there. Okay, pretty strong weld. Then I turned it to the other side. I got that weld, which isn't very good, and I also kind of burnt away some of the thing there. And then on the inside corner, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not pretty, but that joker is a weld. and I just tried to break this thing apart, and it is solid. Yesterday I actually pulled it apart. I had welded this end and this end, and I broke those apart, and I went to go practice on this side. Oh, also, well, you know, I haven't vlogged that yet. I don't think I showed you guys, but I got a drill press. So I drilled me a hole with my drill press, which was fun to do. So let me actually go video my drill press, and I'll upload this vlog. And so there's my first ever welded piece of metal. I particularly like the inside weld. It's a pretty good little puddle there going on. I like it. So let's go. Let me go show you my drill press. And whew, that's still pretty warm. Let me go show you my drill press, and that will be the vlog for tonight. I'm going to be dangerous when I learn how to do that. Oh, man. So here's the drill press I got at Habitat for Humanity Restore. On the first Friday of every month, everything is half price. And this bad boy was at half price, $30. So it's got 3 speeds. It's got a belt on there for 3 speeds. There's your on and off right there. And yeah, super excited to have me a drill press. I've been really needing one, and it's going to really make fencing a lot faster when I do more cemetery fence. And here is the welder from Harbor Freight, the Chicago Electric 90 amp flux wire welder. So there it is. And when I got it, I went ahead and bought the gloves, the apron. I got an extra spool of the flux wire. I got this here helmet. Yeah. Got that. And you saw the gloves. I got some corner magnets. Some of the little magnets. Alright guys, so there it is, the Maiden Voyage. Maiden Voyage of Steve's Haunted Yards new flux wire welder. And I didn't vlog it in the garage. I was about to, and then the camera stopped recording there abruptly. But I got 24 foot of this square tubing. 24 foot. So I've already ordered my plans from Dead with Dave. Whew, what's up with my camera tonight? It keeps cutting off. So anyway, as I was saying, I ordered my plans from Dead with Dave, Pandemic Cemetery's YouTube channel. He's doing a pneumatic 2-bar lift mechanism right now, tutorial over the next 3 shows of Dead with Dave, and his plans are now available. I ordered them the other day. Should get those pretty soon. Pretty excited. And so there you go. You saw it here first on Steve's Haunted Yard. My crappy welding. I gotta show you again. Look at that. I'm pretty proud of that, actually. It's a little scary. It's scary. It's like awesome. I manipulated steel like Superman. Alright, thanks guys for watching. And I haven't said this in a while. Get your hunt on.
Well, on the camera, it definitely does. You should go up and kick that bush right there. Go kick it. It's a bush in the middle.